So during that time that incident happened, walang nag-investigate
wala,
except
sir.
you.
Takot lahat ng pulis, sir, ng Cebu City.
Takot lahat ng pulis ng
Yes,
Cebu
Mr.
City.
Chair. Yes.
For the period of 6 months, Your Honor, there was no yet case filed and it was considered a cold case, Your Honor.
So until now, wala pa rin case that was filed
Mr. Chair.
Oh.
Baka may malaking tao na involved, Mr. Chair.
na nasagasaan ninyo. Tama?
Might be, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So because wala nag-imbestiga sa buong PNP, si GM Garma took the initiative to investigate kasi magkamag-anak kayo. Tama? Is that
I was-
correct, Colonel Garma?
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami magkamag-anak, Mr. Chair.
Na ginawa, Your
Hindi
Honor.
nga, ang tinatanong ko nga doon sa motive. Ikaw, Colonel, you're evading my question. I will cite you in contempt. Isa na lang. Again, what is the motive that was established during the SITG investigation with regards to the ambush killing of General Barayoga?
There
Sino nagbigay sa inyo ng instructions?
ES,
ES.
yes.
And who is the ES that time?
Medaldia po.
Si
The
Attorney
instruction.
Mejaldea.
Yeah, because
Okay.
there was an incident that happened to Colonel Barandog. They were almost murdered in Cebu.
Colonel Barandog, you're
Yes,
referring to...
yes
okay.
po. Na-hospital niya ngayon lang po nakarecover niya, including his wife. It
Okay.
was an open investigation, hindi po na-investigahan. So,
And because of that, you resigned?
no, Mr. Chair. He used kasi as, nag-work kasi sa akin, and then I made a simple investigation. And
So nag-investigate ka sa nangyari kay Colonel
inquiry.
Barandog?
Inquiry.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
And I had, it's not validated naman, Mr. Chair, but as an investigator, nagkaroon pa ako ng konting, what do you call it? Gumawa ako ng sarili kong
Investigation.
assessment. Parang ganun po. And I cannot divulge it kasi very sensitive and ongoing pa siguro ang investigation if somebody is investigating his case right now, which is nobody investigated actually in Cebu.
So during that time that incident happened, walang nag-investigate
Wala,
except
sir.
you?
Takot lahat ng pulis, sir, ng Cebu City.
Takot lahat ng pulis ng
Yes,
Cebu
Mr.
City?
Chair. Yes,
Kanino sila
Mr. Chair.
natatakot?
I have my own personal, I made a digging on that, Mr. Chair, but nobody wants to testify, nobody wants to talk about it. So, I made a parang tawag dito, the advice to me is just to, baka, kasi pati ako madamay or something.
Kaya
the
ka
instruction,
pinapag-resign.
not resign, Mr. Chair, to take a leave.
Okay.
But I felt like there was a time kasi na nag-leave ako, and then I was instructed by our chair to attend a board meeting, which I complied because it is a legal order from the chair. But when I attended the board meeting, there was an instruction, parang na-caution ako why I attended a board meeting. So sabi ko po, upon the instruction of our chair. But sabi ko next time, even if upon the instruction of the chair, hindi na rin po ako mag-attend. So I felt, Mr. Chair, that I was directly implied po that I was fired. So I just filed my resignation para kung may inquiry man or there was a loss of trust and confidence, perhaps I said, I think they can move freely without me in my office para sa ganon, maging transparent ako. Yun ang reason ko I resigned, Mr. Chair.
So ang punot dulo ng iyong resignation ay yung nangyari kay Colonel Barandog.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Isa din po yan, Mr. Chair.
And you felt na parang, kasi wala nag-iimbestiga, you felt na nalaman siguro nila na nag-i-inquire ka, meron kang sariling inquiry, kaya ka sinabihan. Tama ba yun? Ganun ba yun? Is
Hindi
that an
na-
accurate
Hindi naman, Mr.
assumption?
Chair. I just do not know the wisdom why I was made to just take a leave.
Okay, sige.
And I just complied with the order, Mr.
So,
Chair.
where was Colonel Barandog that time assigned? Nung nangyari yun sa kanya?
I think he was assigned at Camp Crame. He was relieved from his post, reassigned in Camp Crame sa admin holding group, Mr. Chair.
So, na-relieve din siya. So, Colonel Barandog, if I may ask
Yes,
Colonel
Mr.
Barandog.
Chair.
So, there was an incident na na-involve ka at saka yung asawa mo na nagkaroon ng engkwentro, tama?
Mr. Chair, we were ambushed last May 1, 2022, Mr. Chair.
And because of that ambush, and where were you assigned that time when you were ambushed?
Prior to that incident, Mr. Chair, I was reassigned to the admin holding of Directorate for Personnel and Records Management in Camp Crame, Mr. Chair. More or less 2 weeks before that incident, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit ako nireassign. I am performing my duties well.
Sige,
Can I continue?
it's up kita. You said you were performing your duty. And bago ka na-assign sa Krame, saan ka ba naka-assign?
I was assigned as the company commander of the Cebu City Mobile Force Company, Mr. Chair.
So okay. So Cebu City Mobile Force, and then you were relieved of that position, nilagay ka sa Krame.
It was General Carlos, Mr. Chair.
General?
Carlos.
General Carlos.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So nilagay ka sa Krame, and then 2 weeks later, na-ambush ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And matanong kita, ano yung tingin mong motibo? Ba't ka na-ambush?
I cannot speculate, Mr. Chair, because ang dami ko na pong nilapitan. Even nagsulat po ako kay then Chief PNP Azurin na tulungan ako at mabigyan ng assistance. Tapos nag-request din po ako na ma-reassign balik sa PRO 7 kasi hindi naman po ako makatravel kasi ang tagal ko sa ospital, Mr. Chair. Umabot din po ako kay Sir Acorda. Tapos we even reached to NBI, Mr. Chair. So wala pong answer. Hindi ko po wala pong sagot, Mr. Chair. In short, Mr. Chair, wala pong...
In other words, hindi ka natulungan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Nang hindi ka natulungan, meron bang nag-imbestiga sa nangyari sa'yo?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ano sa palagay mo? Bakit walang investigasyong ginawa?
For now, Mr. Chair, I cannot...
You cannot?
Hindi ko po talaga
Hindi, syempre meron kang sarili mong
Mr. Chair,
opinion dyan,
Yes,
di ba?
Mr. Chair.
Oh.
Baka may malaking tao na involved, Mr. Chair.
Na nasagasaan ninyo.
Might be, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So because wala nag-imbestiga sa buong PNP, si GM Garma took the initiative to investigate kasi magkamag-anak kayo, tama? Is that
I was-
correct, Colonel Garma?
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami magkamag-anak, Mr. Chair.
Kasama...
We're not relatives, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, I'm sorry. So, naka-detail siya sa'yo and then you took it upon yourself to initiate an investigation or an inquiry para malaman kung sino yung behind dun sa ambush. Tama, no?
He was no longer detailed with me when that incident happened kasi binalik ko na sila sa unit nila noon nung hindi ko na kailangan yung services
Okay.
nila,
Pero
Mr. Chair.
earlier, you said
Yeah,
na
the
meron kang
first,
inquiry.
Yes, I did
And
my own research.
may we know ano yung na-discover mo dun sa yung inquiry? Unless you don't want to discuss that, that's fine with us. Okay?
Yes,
O,
Mr.
sige.
Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Ngayon, nung 2017, General Attorney Wesley Barayuga was ambushed. And he was a member of the board of the PCSO, correct?
I think, Mr. Chair, it's not 2017.
Anong year yun?
I'm not sure, but I was already with PC. Maybe it's parang may pandemic pa po noon time na yun, 2020 o 2021. I'm not so
That's
sure.
the reason why I
Mr.
asked
Chair.
kasi, the reason why I said 2017, because you were not a GM yet
Yes,
of
Mr.
PCSO.
Chair. Yes po.
Because this incident happened when you were the general manager of PCSO, correct?
Yes, Mr.
And
Chair.
General Wesley Barayuga is a member of the board of the PCSO, correct?
No, Mr. Chair. He is the board secretary po.
He is the board
Yes,
secretary
Mr.
of the
Chair.
PCSO at the time. Nung nangyari kay General Barayuga yon, nag-initiate ka ba ng investigasyon?
No, Mr. Chair, because there was already an investigation conducted.
Okay.
I presume because there were statements made, Mr. Chair.
What happened to Colonel Barandog na naambush siya, nag-inquire ka. Nag-initiate ka ng sarili mong inquiry.
Can I make a statement,
Sige,
Mr. Chair?
please.
In the case of Colonel Barandog, nobody from the PNP made a statement that they will investigate. But to the board secretary Barayuga po, I heard na like the chief of police nagsabi they will initiate investigation. So I presume ginawa po nilang trabaho na po nila, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so ang ibig mong sabihin, doon sa kay General Wesley Barayuga ambush, meron nag-imbestiga.
may nag-statement po kasi ang territorial police that they will investigate.
Okay,
In the case of Barandog po, nobody
Okay,
made a
so
statement,
parang
Mr.
merong
Chair.
irony, ano?
Kaya
Kasi
hindi,
parang bakit yung kay Colonel Barandog walang nag-initiate, pero dito kay General Wesley Barayuga may nag-initiate. Tama?
there's a statement given by the chief of police that they will
Okay.
investigate.
And who was the chief of police during that time?
Colonel Grijaldo po, the
So
chief
si
of
Colonel
police.
Grijaldo, you were the chief of police at during the time the incident happened, Colonel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan nangyari yung incident? Where were you chief of police, Colonel?
I
Saan,
was the chief of police of Mandaluyong Police Station, sir.
meron ba tayong investigation report dyan?
Yes, sir. There was a spot report. There was a progress report.
Okay.
There was a special investigation task group created. And after a series of case conference, Your Honor, it was forwarded to the CIDG after it take cognizance of the jurisdiction of the case, Your Honor, because for the period of 6 months, Your Honor, there was no yet case filed and it was considered a cold case, Your Honor.
So until now, wala pa rin case that was filed.
As far at present, Your Honor, this case were already under the jurisdiction of CIDD, Your Honor, and I don't have dates on the case.
Doon sa nangyaring ambush sa kanya, he was riding a white pickup. Tama ba yon? Can we show, is that a short video? Can we show it, please? Ito po yung nangyari kay General Wesley Barayuga nung siya po ay na-ambush sa Mandaluyong, no? Tama, no?
Yes, Your
Mandaluyong
Honor.
City. Can we show it? Sige, while waiting for the video, ayan yung video. Parang wala lang eh, no?
Kasi I just wanted to find out, did he use both hands in shooting?
Yeah, I think it looks like mukhang ambidextrous yung killer eh.
Pwede bang
So, can we
pakiulit
show it
lang?
again, please?
Yeah, it was quick eh, so I wasn't able to see if it was using both hands. Can we just
Sige nga.
show? Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. So I just, for the record, he used both hands.
Okay. Pwede bang malaman, GM, Garma, kung kanino yung sasakyan na ginagamit niya nung araw na yon, nung nangyari yung insidente sa kanya?
I'm not sure kung proper, it's like property po na PC. I think it's the issued vehicle po ata po yun.
Issued vehicle.
I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, pero yun na narinig ko, he was using an issued vehicle.
Pagka may nai-issue bang vehicle sa mga direktor o empleyado ng PCSO, sino ang nag-a-approve?
Mr. Chair, wala pa ako na-approve na alala na na-issue sa kanya kasi nandun
But
na
it
po
is
sila.
the GM.
GM. I cannot recall na may na-issue ako kasi nandun na po siya. Board secretary na po siya nung dumating ako. So I'm not sure I'm sure na parang hindi ako pumirma nun. Must be somebody.
Okay.
who
Nasaan
issued.
po
I'm
yung
not sure po.
Nasaan ngayon tong sasakyan na ito na nagamit dun sa ambush?
Hindi ko na po alam kung
Is
nasaan,
there
Mr.
anyone
Chair.
from PCSO who can tell this committee kung nasan po itong sasakyan na ginamit? Wala ba nakakaalam sa inyo sa PCSO kung nasaan yung sasakyan na yan? I think dapat alam nung custodian ng PCSO yan, di ba?
Yeah, supposed to be, Mr. Chair, kasi hindi na rin ako nagtanong because it's a crime. Gipresume ko po na under the custody po ng PNP.
O
So,
sige. Okay, babalikan na lang natin siya mamaya. Yes, Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Alam nyo, itong video, class 1983 yata si Attorney Barayuga. Marami nagsasabi sa akin na matinong tao daw to, nagbabawon pag pumapasok sa office. Kilala mo ba talaga si Attorney Barayuga?
kilala ko po siya as board secretary, Mr. Chair. I met him several times during board meetings and in my office.
Ano po ang posisyon niya sa PCSO? Noong panahon ikaw ay ang GM ng PCSO.
Board secretary po, Mr. Chair.
Board Secretary po. Alam niyo ba nung kung ilang taon na nagtrabaho si Attorney Barayuga sa PCSO, ma'am? Ilang taon?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po,
Nung
Mr.
dumating po kayo sa PCSO?
Parang siguro more or less 1 year ang pagkakaalam ko po. Kasi naabutan ko na po siya na siya po yung board secretary.
1 year.
I think.
Meron po ba kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan ni Attorney Barayuga nang kayo ang nasa PCSO po?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Wala akong maalalang...
Bakit po siya binigyan ng inisyuan ng isang pick-up na sasakyan si
wala po ako naalalang na
Attorney
issue.
Barayuga?
Hindi ko po... Ang alam ko may sasakyan na po siguro siya dati. Wala akong naalalang
Kanino
sasakyan.
po galing yung puting pick-up na yun na sinasakyan niya? Brand new po yun.
I cannot recall.
Siya po ang nagda-drive noon, alam ko.
Mr. Chair, pwede naman siguro natin makita yung records kung sino po nag-issue. And second po, I remember may mga procurement po kami ng mga sasakyan noon na bago for the branch manager and po sa mga managers po. Kung nabigyan po siya, malamang po isa yun siya sa nag-benefit, pero hindi lang po siya, sigurado ako. Lahat po ng mga department managers and branch managers, halos bago po ang sasakyan kung na-deliver na po yun nung time na yun. Hindi ko lang po maalala, but check po natin ang records,
Okay,
Mr.
thank you,
Chair.
GM. Naitanong na din kanina ni Chairman Asian. Alam mo ba na si Attorney Barayuga ay retired general at PMA Class 1983 po ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang uling tanong ko po, ano po ang naging reaction nyo mapatay si Attorney Barayuga sa labas ng PCSO office? Na-relieve ka ba? Masaya? O wala lang? Parang walang nangyari.
Hindi po, nagulat po ako nung nangyari po yun, Mr. Chair. Nagtanong din ako kung bakit kaya na nangyari sa kanya yun.
And you also admitted that a special investigation task group was created.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you part of it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Guiardo, bago niyo binigay o turn over yung investigation niyo doon sa CIDG, NCRPO, CIDG, ano po yung motive na na-establish? Tandali po, diretso na po. At tinatanong ko lang po, ano yung na-establish na motive? Because sa investigation, alam naman ninyo, di ba alam niyo yun, na before starting with the investigation, anong mga motive? O anong mga motive?
It could be work-related, Your Honor, or personal grudge, Your Honor.
Ayun talaga established doon sa report nyo?
It was only the spot report, Your
No,
Honor.
spot report. Kaya na lang tinatanong ko ang result ng SITG. Anong na-establish nyo doon? Of course, spot report, magkaiba yun. Anong na-establish nyo yung motive?
Yes, Your Honor. We do always the case conference, Your Honor.
Tanong ko nga diretso na po, please. Ano ang na-establish na motive ng SITG before you endorse it to the NCRPO CIDG?
Your Honor, hindi ko na ano sir, yung result nung SITG report, Your Honor.
Wala.
Meron naman, Your Honor, hindi ko lang na ano yung SITG report, Your Honor.
Anong hindi mo na ano? Hindi mo natandaan? Hindi nyo ginawa? Wala? Ano?
Hindi, Your Honor. Merong investigation na ginawa, Your Honor.
Hindi nga, ang tinatanong ko nga doon sa motive. Ikaw, Colonel, you're evading my question. I will cite you in contempt. Isa na lang. Again, what is the motive that was established during the SITG investigation with regards to the ambush killing of General Barayuga?
There were two motives, Your Honor, being established during the investigation. It is a work-related and a personal grudge, Your Honor.
Work-related
Yes, Your Honor.
and personal grudge.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you turn over it to the CIDG and CRPO.
Your Honor,
Nag-recommend ka-
SITG is being done, Your Honor, in Eastern Police District.
Hindi nga ang
Because-
sinasabi ko nga, after 6 months, sabi mo kanina, you turn over it to NCRP o CIDG, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a letter from the district director endorsing SID case to the National Capital Region as Criminal Investigation Unit.
And na-attach ba yung initial investigation ng SITG?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka? Siyempre nandun, spot report nandun, follow-up report nandun. Ang tinatanong ko po, yung conclusion ng SITG with regards to the motive, naisabit niyo ba? Wala.
Police station.
You're still part of the SITG. Kasi kayo nagsimula eh. After 6 months, over eh. Yan sabi mo kanina eh. Ngayon, nag-evade ka na naman, umiiwas ka. Ang tinatanong lang kita, from the first day, you started creating that SITG, up to the last day, which is 6 months, sabi mo nga, nandun ka siyempre, di ba?
Let me clarify, Your Honor. The SITG is being created at the district level. So,
Naintindihan ko yon. Ang sinasabi ko nga, na-turnover niyo sa CIDG. Sabi mo kanina, after 6 months, di ba?
yes, Your Honor.
O now, ang
Only,
tinatanong ko, doon sa submission nyo, no, for turnover, doon sa case, nandun ba yon sa case folder, yung motive?
nandun po, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.